सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Paper to be laid on the table. पढ़िए.
Chairman sir, on behalf of my senior colleague, I rise to lay on the table a copy of each in English and Hindi of the following notification of the Ministry of Finance, Department of Revenue, along with explanatory memoranda listed in today's supplementary list of business. Notification number 52/2016 ST dated the 8th December 2016 seeking to amend exemption notifications number 25/2012 dated the 20th June 2012 so as to exempt services by an acquiring bank to any persons in relation
You have
to
only to lay
settlement
the
of...
paper. Lay the paper.
Okay, I am laying the paper. I am laying the paper.
मैं आपके माध्यम से माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी का ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहता हूं। नोटिफिकेशन नंबर 60/2016 कस्टम्स, जिसमें कि गेहूं की इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी 10% से घटाकर 0% की जा रही है, ये मूल रूप से किसानों के विरुद्ध है। और इसके साथ साथ आज बाजार में पैसे की कमी के कारण ही गेहूं सस्ते दामों में बिक रहा है। उसके बाद सर क्लैरिफिकेशन सर,
This is only a laying.
it concerns the farmers. किसानों के आने वाले गेहूं की फसल पर प्रभाव पड़ेगा। मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस में ऑपरेशन में नहीं ले पाएंगे सर। देन अदर थिंग सर
Digvijay Singh ji, if it is only paper laying,
गंभीर विषय है, चर्चा होती रही है। इसमें बहुत बड़ा षड्यंत्र है।
There is no practice to discuss on the point of paper laying.
देखिए,
वाला षड्यंत्र है।
when this matter is on the agenda, you will take it up.
सभापति जी, वही बात नहीं है। इसका एक विषय और भी है कि डिपेंडेंट हो जाओगे। नोटिफिकेशन नंबर 52/2016 के मामले में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने संसद सत्र चलने के समय भी बाहर घोषणा कर दी।
पॉइंट ये है,
विधिवत जो हमारी संसदीय परंपराएं हैं उसके विरुद्ध है।
1 minute, देखिए।
प्रिविलेज का
नहीं, 1 minute, please listen to me. Please listen to me, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. No, please sit down, 1 minute. Please sit down. Please sit down, 1 minute. 1 minute, please, 1 minute. A paper has been laid. If you have a modification, you give notice. There is a process by which it will be processed. That's all. If it is only laying, we don't go into greater details on it.
Sir,
when the matter comes up for discussion,
when the Prime Minister himself goes beyond a point and announces schemes when the Parliament is in session, it is a gross violation of conduct.
That's a different matter. We are not discussing it. शरद जी, आपको प्लीज।
सबसे बड़ी फसल दो ही फसल है, गेहूं की और धान की। और इस सवाल में
जब ये चीज डिस्कशन के लिए आएगी उस वक्त आप ये सब कह लीजिए।
इसलिए ये गंभीर मामला है, सरकार को इस पे सोचना चाहिए। सबसे बड़ी फसल दो ही है,
जब ये डिस्कस होगा
और एक धान की।
There is a procedure by which you can move modification.
उत्पादन करने वाले लोगों का सर्वनाश हो जाएगा।
That's all right.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
That's all right.
Definitely.
Now, announcement by the chair. 1 minute, please. This is नहीं ठीक है, आपने देखिए, there is a procedure by which you will take it up. No, please. No, that's another matter. Say it when you are discussing the matter. We are not discussing procedures now. No. There is an established practice of laying papers that has been followed. That's all. Now, announcement by the chair. I have to inform the members that the Business Advisory Committee in its meeting held on the 8th of December 2016 has allotted time for government legislative business as follows. Consideration and passing of the National Institute of Technology, Science, Education and Research Second Amendment Bill 2016 after it is passed by Lok Sabha, 2 hours. The committee also recommended that the sitting of the Rajya Sabha fixed for Monday, the 12th of December, may be cancelled on account of Miladun Nabi or Eid-e-Milad. Accordingly, there will be no sitting of the House on that day. The committee further recommended that the House may sit beyond 6 p.m. as and when necessary for transaction of government legislation and other business. Now, we take up the further discussion on the demonetization of currency. Shri Singh Deo. भाई क्यों आप डिस्कशन कीजिए ना. भाई आपके साथी बोलना चाहते हैं उनको सुन लीजिए. क्या फायदा है इससे? ये भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं.
Please get the house in order, sir.
House stands adjourned till 11 a.m. on Friday, the 9th of December.